Hello and welcome back to Celebrity Corner. Today we're taking a closer look at a tragic and widely publicized crash involving one of the most recognizable names in the world, Caitlyn Jenner. This case not only drew headlines across the country, but it also raised important questions about civil liability, wrongful death, and how different states handle fatal auto accidents. So in 2015, Caitlyn Jenner, Olympic gold medalist and reality TV star, was involved in a multi-car crash on the Pacific Coast Highway in Malibu, California. While driving her SUV, Jenner rear-ended another vehicle, pushing it into oncoming traffic. That impact caused a chain reaction that resulted in the death of one woman and injuries to several others. No criminal charges were filed, but multiple civil lawsuits followed, including wrongful death and personal injury claims, which Jenner later settled privately. Now, let's talk about how this would have played out here in Texas. So first, Texas law allows surviving spouses, children, and parents to file wrongful death lawsuits when a loved one is killed due to another person's negligence or recklessness. And if the facts suggest something more than ordinary negligence, like distraction, speeding, or driver inattention, the family may even pursue punitive damages to hold the driver accountable and deter future misconduct. Texas courts take these cases very seriously. They look at driving records, cell phone use, environmental conditions, and the overall actions of the driver to determine fault. Importantly, Texas follows a 51% bar rule. If the defendant is more than 50% at fault, they can be held liable, but if they're less than 51%, they can still pursue cross-claims or reduce their share of responsibility in a multi-party crash. In Jenner's case, if the accident had occurred in Texas, the families involved would likely pursue damages for mental anguish, lost companionship, funeral expenses, and the loss of household income or support. These categories are not just abstract legal terms, they're the real personal consequences families suffer after losing someone suddenly and tragically. This case also raises an issue that many Texans overlook: insurance coverage. Jenner settled the cases privately, likely through a combination of personal assets and high-limit insurance policies. In Texas, if you're a high net worth individual or even just a homeowner, it's critical to have adequate umbrella coverage to protect against personal exposure in the event of a serious crash. If you've lost a loved one or suffered serious injuries in a car accident in Texas, don't try to handle it alone. At the law office of Bryan Fagan, we help families get the justice and compensation they deserve. So to schedule a free confidential consultation, click the link in the description or give us a call today. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.